What are you doing?
Look.
What'd you do?
This. Ice cream.
What did you do?
Look, what's all this?
Paw prints.
Oh.
Did you blow that up by yourself?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. Can you give me 5? Oh, miss. Try again. Oh, miss. All right. Good job, dude.
Now can I blow?
You're going to blow something else up?
What can I
Where's the other Diego?
blow? Look in here. There's some more batteries. There's some more batteries.
Okay, we probably need to throw them away.
What one of them? See?
They're corroded.